What's up, guys? Just wanted to do an update. Not much is going on. It's just been a wet couple of days. The rain has stopped for now, but it has been very wet and supposed to have more tomorrow. But I picked up this. Oh, it's probably a 12-inch, but needs to be a 14-inch pot fishtail palm. Stands about 9 foot, um, and so it's got a real good size fishtail in there, and then of course all the other little clumps that are coming with it. But not really sure what I'm going to do with it right now, but it was too good to pass up. So just wanted to show that and come over here. Yeah. Greenhouse. But like I said, it has been very, oh, that fell. It's been very, very wet. So these little guys are starting to get their second leaf on some of these California fans. And of course, some of these are the windmills. Yeah, you'll see. I guess I didn't poke a hole in this cup right here, so this thing has just been sitting in a cup full of water. But yeah, so things are growing, staying very wet. There's another one. But yeah, so I have some more of these guys in the garage that are still in there. I just don't know why I haven't moved them out, but they got two real good size leaves going, so I'll add that to this video. But yeah, I just wanted to do a couple of updates, but I'll go over here and get a video of the sable. So the sable is starting to push already. You can see the green coming out. I'll probably come in here and whack that a little bit, get off all the ugly stuff, but it's starting to push out and it'll look good in no time. All right, so here's the Cali fans I ordered offline, but yeah, you'll see they got two. This one's got two. It's right back here. I mean, they're doing like really well, so they're just kind of taking off. And then there's a few over here. These actually were San Antonios that we kind of plucked from underneath the big tree, but they're rooted now. I was wondering if they were healthy when I brought them back, but as you can see right there in the clear cup, that one has a root, and so does the other ones. So yeah, those are starting to root and do better. But yeah, so not just about the big stuff. Small palms are growing, and hopefully by next season we have I don't know, 40, 50 1-gallon California fans. So that's the plan anyways. But thanks for watching. Drop a comment.